In this video, I'm going to show you how to pair the KP2W wireless keypad to the Logico24 motor control board. Now, the KP2W device is a 2-channel device and has up to 8 codes for channel 1 and up to 3 codes for channel 2. I'm not going to show you how to add or remove any of those codes in this video, but it is important to note that when I use a code, it can be any of the 8 or 3 codes that are stored in the device. So to pair, first you need to hold down this button here, which is on the grey box that extrudes from the control board. And you do that just for 1 second, and after that, while the red LED light is still flashing, you have a window of opportunity to put in and enter in the PIN code into the KP2W device. So the default code for channel 1 on the KP2W device is 1111 and then hash. So we'll use that, and then both channel 1 and channel 2 will be operational for all of the codes that have been added into the device by the user. So I'll do that now, holding down for 1 second and then release. Now while the red light is still flashing, 1111 hash. Now when the red LED light stops flashing, then it has been successfully paired and we can test it. So it's done that now, and we'll enter in the code again, 1111 hash. And now we can see that the gate opens. It is important to note that the code we used to connect the device is not the only code that would work for unlocking the gate. Any of the up to 11 stored codes in the KP2W device would work to unlock the gate once we pair it with one single code. And it doesn't matter which code we pair it with.